Hi all! Today, I will teach you how to earn 10% profit on Sell LTC. In this scheme, we will use Binance and Labsex exchange. And trust me, the scheme really works. As you can see, the LTC exchange rate on this exchange is 10% higher than on Binance. This will allow you to earn money already. At the first stage, the first thing we need to do is top up our LTC balance. To do this, go to the wallet and click on the deposit. Here, select LTC in the list, go down below, and click Show Address. Now you copy this address and go to Binance. Since I am 100% sure of this exchange, I will start with the amount 500 LTC, but you can top up with any amount. At the time of recording the video, it's over $35,000. The money was credited to the balance in a few minutes. Now all that remains for us is to profitably sell our LTC on spot trading. Select LTC and scroll down. Here we need to select our entire amount of LTC. Finally, click on Sell LTC. Great! From this transaction, we received more than about $39,000. With you, now we just need to withdraw them to Binance. To do this, go to Withdraw, select Tether USDT on the ERC20 network. Now go back to Binance to copy this address, paste this address here, and enter the entire amount. By the way, the fee on this exchange is one of the lowest, only $1. Finally, click on Withdraw, and waiting the confirmation of the transaction blockchain. As you can see, in just one round, we have earned more than $4,000. I will continue to turn this scheme, and I advise you. This time, I replenished my wallet with 1,000 LTC. We follow the same method, click on Deposit, and do the same.